was ya mama nyina ha ya mama kwa aba so Adom na ye wo no we ye Adom TV ye wazoye nene ya ba behwe ensema kese pa e wo ha ensema ye behwe no e very serious issues dan say ya te say bank ni microfinance any savings and loans for edi nkofo sika oti ase a obi I can't think far and they can't think madness say obi di ni sika akoto bank hwe so mame na bra asemu no baba abeji mi sika bank fo ni bitumi ne nkofo ye nhye say busumi bia abeji say busumi bia ye be ma say busumi bia say ne ye de be ma wo e be kwa wi ase na ya asem ya consolidate bank fo ni bi kra ma say sika je no afa no mo ye ne kakra ban fa no anyuma ka ye asem before cry na no de ebe na ye hu DKM God is love Justa Motors susufu a wo Ghana han mo ma wi ankofo sika ni nyina na ye ba be ka mo asem ti obi agi sika na wo san kan ya pacho freye number no so na ye fa ento enu ye fa me vim lady afia pokua awie ye mo ha mo akwa baba mi wo case ana ti ne mo ya agi musika na be mo hu se mo wo case ana na ma ka o se lawyer fo kuku da mienu ne wo mo betena se a ene ya ye be su bank fo bi ene ya ye be su bank fo ye mra se ameto aso asa babio ewo Adom TV so ye wazoye ye fa me vim lady afia pokua se da meka na ne ye ba behwe emra no ho asem a ehia pa atade a me sei kabuki ache so ba kokomlemle a street kase ba ko bi anim se kra de Ghana baby agidin Fanofa street ewo kokomlemle ono anu wote so ne ukọ and one mabo sister ojudwam sa ono anu ajuja top ya ne bronya se me de baje fans afine ewo krom ono am makeup so ne Adom yi multimedia makeup sisters bi omo ojai omo ti apopa lawyers nyina bo se omo twi omo powder kama omo ti dwom omo se me mama omo na kasa no omo ti dwom omo okrom so ho and issue ayebeka na a very serious issue bank ni microfinance na susufo ne ade so no na susufo mba ma me wono ma beje ebi nam dwom ne eje ye nam chese ba bia ne eje obi anim se sika de wo de to ho a wo bedi nti oya opese wo de ekoye susu no na susu ra we adwane ebi di koware ebi ya no de kwa broche hu no kra ana di mo na abedu microfinance savings and loans ne ade abedu sabrea na se nyina anim de ekoto consolidated banks bi ema ya consolidate be enso abomu ami aba be pie ha ansa na no kra ba no God is love Justa Motors DKM besine customers be ho amunyi o musika ene ebusa e fraud ana e fraud so obi ebu obi so obeji ni sika amwadi obi ebu obi ana waye bukata na ene lawyer for kese wa na napon ewo distinguished scholars of Africa o mumpanifo kese pa ba ko ese nya lawyer keto pa yenya na ye na betena studio ha no we atuguba mlai na cheso one o monam nyanketo mo atuguba nom na cheso mo show mo ko to tum se lawyer for we de nka mo ye Roman fathers anke de ayi ehwire kura gu fom ya ma ogan tententi a udi gu fom ansa no na cheso onye ni pa to asa sanso na lawyer ayi Richard Kojoaban enso lawyer kese pa on de sa fraud case wonya de usi court say obeji case obeji scam judges no kwasuro so o ma ben o mienu na o mo boy am e de me case na abram nti lawyer for good afternoon yeah that's some aba pato yen hwe ayi the ekoso no pato number 1 sa banking relations here maka ho asemi lawyer for me say bro eye fraud ana yen to me capture under fraud.
Well, fraud, first of all, you're going to fraud. Fraud in this will be the dada. Ajibi we feel in some. And now do be a good and so. Now just say to Nancy to me fita. And whether we be a fraud or not, I say a few facts in them. But bank for no dear. And I say, Omo Jinko Fosikano. Anything. And this is a Udisika to banker. Uno way and she share, Mra. Says he cannot have a 200. Omo expect fees.
Okay.
Which we become almost. Na da wo hia osika no kwa everything e be ma wo wan fa ankoche wo no wan kasa bia wo de fam wo mo wo de sika na to do ko na se wo man fa ma wo a any breach of contract.
Okay.
Je se utumi ko na akọju osika na dodo na edu time na ba akọju osika no na ye se o matum o mafa ha and whether it's fraud or not debatable but fraud na nkasa wo ho nti ye ko eni me chechiri mu akwa be fa so a wontimi mo bi ndi fraud but sana we be di fraud wo no na ye misrepresentation.
Okay.
Adada. And I say abuse of trust. What do trust a man? Ashenu and our dada. If you also na Jimmy, what Jimmy?
Anaa for me feeling keke. Cause I'm not that one can play.
That's right.
And no.
That's right.
Ebi so Jimmy.
Yeah.
Obi aka cho se for sika beto na memo be 30%.
A week.
Na e di sika afa na no wa ba. Se me meka bi ma. Eno no waka no. Eya me the class want to say be. Eya dey
Jimmy.
Jimmy, straightforward, straight up.
The toss no. Agreed.
Any break.
Opeso nyesi kan ten. Obi jina waka chiro say 30% a week. Os masum. Last time when I'm on obisi opeso jili sika fi a company v. Yeah, say one go down. We are not a Bitcoin. Of Bitcoin I know that to her. And see oko company no within sika. Bitcoin so website no mind then. Almost shutting it down. So and he agreed. And then the toss of 5 and so no. A genuine confusion. What na unu bi aba madam bi aba esi business bi aba pa e pa o ni sika tu mu no omo ba miska ni bi enti no na so no so sebe onim nyansa be brain enti no de odo ni nua do na convince now so why then so why join it happens a lot with your friend of Ponzi schemes and pyramid schemes so but share oto dro no ba ko say and oto we say obenya say na ma okudi dance ni den na wonua wadamfo o sorry ni na wadada enti uka we ni nyina bomo. First law, you have the right to be wise. Second law, you have the right to be foolish. Third law, the wise have the right to exploit the foolish as long as they do so legally. Because very, very important. So what you have
a right to be foolish.
You have the right. That's right. That's right.
One right so mbesisi o mo ni nyansa.
And emra ya set we wiase nyina e bo nyansa fo ho eban.
Na say no so nyansa eno so de o kan na e be breach of even equity o. Say nyansa fo no right so mbebu ehiafo.
It happens all the time. And no prepa na e ka menka se bia e papa na se nye papa. That's the law.
Okay.
That's the law. The law protects reasonableness and there's a presumption of reasonableness. Okay. And which means law just obi ani nyansa. Is the only nyansa en fa law no ho. O se oni nyansa. Presumption of reasonableness. Okay. And it's also quarter and I'll baby I'm sure din one nyansa for her. One a year na dia nyansa wom. Why the nyansa ni yes o di for. Because I didn't know you na judge ni ho. And you have me no behavior now. I heard you only nyansa and now any day nyansa no ka say we na any papa. So always no omo ma bim pa no. Omo di bim. Get
away with murder.
Because our men can murder some na. Omo ma bim pa no. Omo tell di bim. You be see how me right oh, but because how much she share woman no my name. Ebi kura na bone no kono na wadi o. That's right. So onim ho nyansenti no afam ko. Yes. Ma member ona musa say de oni aba ma kan say banking no. O de and say ne fraud ne ka betimi e de afa ho.
Say bibi ba ne sa na say wo say wo ko fraud a. Eno no e ya na e kwan na wakakra. Okay. Say wo be si wo mu say o ma defraud o. Na mum senior kai no. Se wo ko se o ma breach contractor wo no mo hihye ya wo no mo ye ya okay eno no ya na ekwan na etia to atia se odu sika koto ho se eja gina hweso mame embibia mihia no meba abeje wo ko ye no bank no afisika no akotweloto enti bank no agu enti eno no nhihye na wo no mo hihye ye no omo endi so o mabuso enti eno no wo ko ne saa no se me no hihye se fisika ni sie embibia mihia no meba na mabagibi ende maba wan fa mame enti nhihye no wabuso enti sika no ewo he
okay enti enye exactly fraud about say na lawyer for onu abema so ka say misrepresentation bemu
yes
na de nkofo susufo ne microfinance service loans enye misrepresentation say fa beto obi enim say reasonably no Bank of Ghana prime rate kura ye 20 ahe banks ni bebre on the average emma loan be 32-34 na so ono say fa beto memo say ya eno enye misrepresentation
eno no ena miss ne ka say wo ho akwanja so bohu nyansa tese wakọ na onimi say Bank of Ghana kura no mo interest rate no indu 40% na wakọ no obi aka cha wo say for boto ha na every week bia na memo 40% as a reasonable person no say na okan obi owuni nyansa no also hwe say eh na bane say na wonko ade wo say me de boto ho a obama me 40% also hwe say eh bia wani ekobra de
yeah
na se wani ekobra de se dia ane de anhwe o iska no borusu na mmom no so mo daadaa wo omo ka bibi kyerɛ wo a kyerɛ sɛ indeed omo botuma ma 40% no eno na ma wo gidie sɛ wo di sika no ekoto hɔ na wo de koto hɔ de a eno na fraud no bebe mu no abena mu no ebi a eye nkutahudi na wo no di ye no so sɛ mediska na eboto hɔ na wo fansie me na emri bem na mihia na maba bagye no kakra nkra anaje anytime me pebia as a bank say anytime wo pebia utumi ko wo se me ba bagye msika eno no purely no se wo ko na se sika ni ho de a utumi wo de no it will be easier to sue him on the contract say we breach nhyehyeye a wo ne hyehyeye
well I was say ojitum say a breach of contract not exactly what come
so obi elusika koto bank na wansa me kwa imagine me say hyehyeye mra you say amend the laws no I say what two types of customers on Meko Bank.
Okay.
Especially in Ghana, nipa bebre anko school or money sika bebre no. Into kwa ni ebisa say, o pese we purely savings ana. And also pese do sika di agro. So,
you do sika di agro.
What I say, obo ha investment any say risk bi bam. Nti kwa obi anko school ni ebisa say o sika no. O pese do to ho ma o say. Oba no abeju sika finchim. Eno sa no mo na obi check.
Okay.
I say I save deposit box bi na amount. So, yen fa o sika no ko bibia, yen fa ko investment bia. Nti wonya interest bia mfi na mo obi check fees am I.
Sa ni ahwe
sika no. And go straight to the Bank of Ghana. And I guaranteed by the Bank of Ghana. What I say, but obi check fee wo ho. Then there oba ya bank na go enwu ye okwa no akoju sika. Na emom na enwo second cam oba na ka kyerɛ sika na betimi dey agro investment ne the venture oba 10% 15% na emom risk home san ha say risk no waji atum so
okay
but when him say na do sika koto bank na wajin say be a safe deposit box sa na wajin yo ni ba bro mo ko school no mo jin say be a do sika koto bank akwa no sa ko use sika okodu wa say sika na ko investment na then ahye enti ni ba bro ho a they are deceived by lack of information and lack of knowledge to think say bank ni de o musika na to ho o mo kwa no makofa but bank dudu na o mo musika o mo fa na o mo de ye adwuma
but enye no tin anka fraud bebem no lawyer because onipa no bia wa call school say you are we lawyer ya burden say wo so obi di we bebu because we hwe all the fine print say sika we investment ben any ade o so ko invest ya dey investment no koye real estate ana de nka won check
but me ba say bank no omo laws no allows them to do that.
Banks no.
So almost me scan your investment, reasonable investment, prudent investment.
Reasonable investment.
And so when you reasonable investment, that's why foolish investment. And then you fraud. Fraud is will be a dada will be. It is you bank na omo ni investment mu ye. No mo do sika na ko don komi na mo de ko din enkwasi asem. Omo no omo nya fraud but Jimmy na omo den omo ma sika na den ahye. And then nya fraud necessarily. But onkrofo so omo bank ho a obetimi do sika no akoshe ono no private business mu. No the boy on one casa face ashenenso nshi ene mom ashifte ekọ no aho ene the fraud bit mabam because fraud ho bit mabam but fraud no beyond reasonable doubt very difficult and the one person will be fraud number 1 signs in any promise no so kesia dada
bo she no ye hu bebre a
dada number 2 kofa onua bra kofa maame bra kofa papa bra ni for asorfo bra dada a friend pyramid scheme bibia obewuram bia ka se kofa we bra no ntua fi dada the tosumi ensa ade na woton no say tio say so na say ade ne ton 1 cedi na honkwan ne ton 200 cedis and 300 cedis dada number 4 the pressure science ya nya she pressure dada number 5 a complicated one tia say obusa na we
bebre woni
so we swear no and they say on nyeshi no be there dance no we there just near bomb hey dada so enti the tosins ya no so wa kasa okoye bibi na bibi boss ade kra ubo hupe don't go nya make kasa chiro for sika show botu
usura dia unya yi
e basika dia bohu misra dia e basika mpoa dia sra dia men for sika dia sika inya easy o amafo jama for sika bibre no body ni free bohu ni se wato airplane se wato car se why sika amafo for sika na and I hear so yen den no and a law no so na make the law protects the reasonable e be kwa mo inside disclaimer condition ni hwan
awoso sign wunni mo hwe
yeah o do court na e ka bro fa kesa kesa che akọ follow betu etia lawyer ka wo a ho achiri make as case bi na nka ba me ho yesi obi dada o so make police obeje over 50 million be 75 million wo ba senior officer no e be ju sika bebre share amount for it to escape last 2 years or so then and I almost getting in she and Oman police send a fraud by me say me lawyer amount when I say obia for 50 cedis mra
50 cedis keke
what me farmer
to you do almost
there we go what GB it almost gonna call so you have to be wise if we ask na buy no as I see so na heaven Yankopon amayen say ya so abofo enti agimifo no de sabio me de kan asem kiko on be chi wo mo za don't be say obeto a be wise have 5 signs na me de buy no don't be greedy men you confused and to bo ase obi the pressure to super that's a sign
se mu mpansa
we remember say the pressure to super oh we dey mempe and obi ani ho obeti mama 20% a month adwuma bi ani ho sa 10% a month kra bi ni ho so even 5% cry a problem because that's 60% a year adwuma ben no so the bank ha omo kran bom pesika pa na can 32% ne ho ahwan enti too difficult
yo la mama na wati ba lo aban say nkofo ho akodim susufuo bi ewia musika microfinance savings loans om de ko om be ya dan age ye wo formula bi wo ho no ma betimi age usika
enu ne asem no unu say first no na microfinance no na susufo no okun a Bank of Ghana hwes efa so ehwe omuso no na nsunsun kakra wo mu enti na say ibugu pe na um na adwane to atias na wo hwe sisi na special deposit
taking loan 960 no
abanawa the way ya wo ma hye mbra no so wo bue wo say wo microfinance ana say wo susun savings ne wo gigi amanfo sika sisi ano se na wo ma ye mamra ni mu idea afa no wontum nsura homa chepe na won kase wagu
baloa de o kenya ye brofo me hu sa act 960 special deposit taking act but this is the case here kofo bebe edi nkofo sika microfinance wo bebe wata ya te ya report omo amudi o musika no ko she ma ya di o musika mutifie
enu ni
de no mbe ya o musa be ka o musika no
na tine se enche akra me ye case bi microfinance bi on omagu acha kakra I don't know so mutu mention omudia but won say
oguno dia only existence okay
nti client ne bae ye court ye judgment of about 100,000 Ghana cedis and cause the company no itua is a company no me go biem enu no
filing for bankruptcy and say we wind up
woman one up obi onye bia no ahye no nti no so
what say sika court nya no
yes when judgment empty judgment
paper ni
kutan keke nti no so you obi a ubutuma ye investigations am said directors no we and na fraud ubutuma bem no so mu gina company no akire omo yes ano ma no ebi omo de sesika no akochihye enoma bi ase nti no utumi remove your friend veil of incorporation utumi remove that veil no na hu omo yes ano ma no na wo gise sesika no na mum ye enya asam keto wo yo nto ba ko a eyedin
na class mu take class action say dodo na mo de call court and dey obetimi aye
enu no hu say bia mo tuma investigations na mo hu say directors no wahe
ebi o mo la me problem pa wo Ghana hanum say adachi bia me hia ayi atuguba na say that is original wood ana just so for ekufu a me ntia say de ntia Ghana ha maybe one topic for another day yeah my judgment we justice has ended now was say nipa na client na or the asem court and I'm very passionate about it because me papa we simple because we court ne dan ho we judgment in his favor the man was frustrated institution na was wo mudem ra ne ye adwuma no omo to say yenye
enforcement of judgment and so ya another
na judicial service and to me Ghana and to me amend the constitution say yampa bibia to authority from more powers nya AG powers bi ne ajama no matiami do no yen to me nya another institution say omo do omo adwuma ne say court na we ni case ya omo asede so mbe no ma enforce judgment no na nya woni pa na so anko twa kwan akotena trotrom ekwa up and down wakodi ekire for the judgment to be enforced else e paper kwa
eno so wo court no so wunya judgment ni wi a na say lawyer no ifolo procedure na kakra sa na ye wo after judgment no you file for entry of judgment into file sa entry of judgment I say emra no the wheel of
emra no do the wheels of justice grind slowly it's not saying no one to say papa there you are dead and gone
eno so ye kwanya mmara no fasto na ohun say bibia
is it relevant in today's Ghana?
Oh yes, me judgment bi a ye di akire saa yetumi
how many years na mo di akire?
Antepos kwa kakra so yetumi di akire kakra nkra saa.
Only baby. I think the problem no.
Canada sa na tiana.
David. But me bawo. Your problem no enye judicial system.
Okay.
Entire culture na e wono. Yeah, Sevi.
Right, onim nyabuche me producer say enkomra na ye meto so busia bo frey na my case na lawyers em wow. Ye ba sesi a. Zavo sam makwa ba bi o mi wo case na e wo Adom TV ye wazo ye awie ye wo live e wo TV so. Na so ye ni abre because e sika sem na sika enye easy so obenya. E bi ti dwom ahomache 4 am. Omo ti kwase adwa so agbagbulo shi dome market mi ade asaf market wo ko ye adwuma se de ba kakra wo benya emayu be no obi tale to lole ho e wo wanchi anatechiman ye kofa ne ma wo dambai ene yeji ne ye de aba na odu sika koto won ma ye se age bank na gu ahye se de yake adenti na judicial service na Ghana ban na nado ye srew wa ba wo de president de o ye executive president utumi hyemre bia wo pe ye nti institution fofra ye court ne se asomasi na obenti wadi obi sika ya ji organization for no obedi eche wadan ka no age osika de amount na we ohie ne court no kra woni akokudu abeko ubedu okra asan bere ho na beka bia amount tie na mo case na mpacho we obi na do osika koto microfinance ana bibi na mo ma do osika free sesi a 03022 03022 11701 kosi 704 03022 1701 ekosi 07 4 na wafre na ode aba lawyer na ehwe na wo ye point bi da bi lawyer wona na wo ye point about na me busa say judicial say ade na yenya institution bi a say to say the lawyer bank and client dey work court ye di wase mama afi wona wo sa akodi akire bi akodan wo ka akodi usika
a system bi ne wo enforcement of judgment, is part of the court proceedings. And Ubisa question, I don't know if the same question. I didn't crown for us will be a wronger. Criminal proceedings are buying state in the sum. I didn't say, well, video car, one can say, with DH3. So, Nina part of the system. But my patch say, the same way I'll back of a lawyer, go back to your fees, go back where then. What's our brands and I could do? It could be a 5 years, if you quite 10 years, It's part of that system. It's we need judgment in a case of Conaco enforcer. It's part of it. But the problem I want to say, and you're called to know. To see how we can say establish a new institution. The issue is, why establish an institution? So be the 1 million. Your friend of Koku Boating and Opo. Okwa, the second one who in 1 city. And the big institutional, small institutional, and to me, what they don't have, you can't give what you don't have. So what we need to do is say, in the Ghana for people bring school, people bring here for it, and then we have to protect them before they are defrauded and are duped.
Yes.
And when a institution in here institution, you dupe will be a and a waste of time. I say prevention is better than cure. And how do we make sure say new institutions in the Ebano, you protect it, nipa for and nipa mobano. And a Ghana for us say munti nipa. New financial institution bar, Mamon Russian for music and to home. Ya pesa ade no dodo. You see high 20%, you see high 30%. I don't know. Oh, excuse me to say Ghana Commercial Bank. When me advertising via America keke.
Eno kwa dey bind the interior.
Oh, say omo de obi sika da.
Da bi o so abro bo omo de omo tin bi omo tin.
But unkwenya 10% bia ho. Oh, and then a proper bank no. Omo conservative, that's the word. And see here say new institutions ba beja man physical. I say protecting Ghana national security.
You better protect you omo.
Number 1. Science institution.
Say nipa na jimia. We better no protect no.
I say my announcement. I say broadcast public duty.
Okay.
Continue education. Number 2. I say national security for new bank who be a new investment group be omo watch it. Every day omo here. No more report it back every quarter. Activities, omo finances, control. They make sure to be better than a cop pepe. Make national security and Gaza police vote.
Make national security for tete fufu no.
Omo making sure. So and number 3 is obi make a promise be necessary we just are buying ade we enti me nyadwuma I see stop one hey what's the name
oni atena wa
hey I buy ntena home man microphone me dada microphone ansan I can say I see atena ho say proactive obi make a promise be a enye feasible sustainable be I say friend can say no this is fraudulent or
I think the lawyer okay enro ne ayifo no Food and Drugs Authority o ma bibisa say aye be advert wa e just say what the advert copy nankasa if Food and Drugs Authority for aba enya say yenye on be che kra say we radio station na media house wo be advert eduro aduane Food and Drugs for ma kwan no wo station ko to be shut down nti a good point na wo ka no senka omo ye ne sa wo banking sector na ka wo ye advert o unam dom na wo ye ya national security for acho
that's right what's it then what's it with mama how kwa am fast all be my and you possible what's any possible say say wo dupe nkrofo be fraud me a preventive fraud
okay ya ntwe ma on dupe answer ba me ba ho because obi on ma na onu aba ma ka say e wo say obi raise investment no obi on ma waji sika no bank adwuma so ya o de akosi 9 ebi kwa de kopema uko Dubai Ghana fo yi ampanifo yi na egu wonom nya politicians so say there's a guy for no wo so me business for no mo Dubai pema what nkrofo sika so de koye investment ne ma pe no nti sa asem si a ade na ye nchi nipa kro no mo na town edi guy sem ma me fa sister Kuya na me ma ho sister Kuya pa cho good afternoon
Ah,
o ka say free here
Committee
17 ha pa cho yenti o obi aye obi ana
one of these companies maybe I did it for a purpose. I was just doing it. I wasn't like it. Never the year I thought I'm still incentive for the infrastructure. Maybe I thought Abua me ban. After me call me a lot of things, but in the long run, me but it's like a woman, mammy, no, me that company make me.
Money, dear sir.
I show my ID.
I could you interest, Nana.
No more in the distance. Yen 2 women can do.
Oh, a good year, and you see, can I show? Now, we take yes on Saka principal. No, even the principal no crack up. Now, the company need new hobby, dear, and you want to so, sister Kuya. Mammy Nasi, Mammy first stop now. Good afternoon,
Good afternoon, sir.
And by trying to say,
Yanko Adom, so
Yanko Adom. O ka se free?
I got a free
ACP, Pacho, Etio.
Me pa, me ne bank back on the edge, make me a budino.
And what do you know, sir?
Ah, ye knew one a edge, my Jessica 2 almost a Jessica. Now, the best me 9. Oko bank so ko yiska ye see a mouse sika ni ho e wo mu aye see ye be fro ye fro na oko a ye sika ni ho omo so omo nka banks na aban na kan bom no ho enso de bi omo ho omo ye adwuma ye hunu de omo ye sika ama ye see nye sika ne ye de adwuma me baba akon enya ho kwan September ya no be ko university anam owie school me boabo sika no kakra de agu bank no so na be ya time no so am I scan de aye de akọ brace on ya me ko ya me sanka scan be si na me ba yi ti fi went me anko school no start ahumti adwuma empty shops na se me rane
wa hwe wo de ne de 4 months wo ho
be 4 months
nti wo de ne de em say ye wi an wo afre na ye ya je company ni din why ne aje company ni di 4 months no e bi kwa na sika no bi o ma me fe sister Vida obo ase sister Vida good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon to say
yeah also
Yankopon Adom
odo me ti o case no
me pa cho bank ni di mi money di
money di ansa
aha me di mi sika bi koto mi sister na makra edu kwan ene ye di sika bi koto bank ba ko bi na ye de koto ho no say no ye pesi e kwaji scan bank ni nguye madam ye date ni maturity date na so ya call 3 times o mu fi yen
pacho de koto ho breben
e de koto more than 1 year ni
1 year and o mu ka say maturity date ni from
1 year na 3 months every month 3 months they mature but enam say na nkola ni henti ya kwaji scan ni bida okay month ni 3 months ni dura na o ma top up ni sa dia ko top ni app o ma zo enti say no ye date no ye pese kwaji scan ye ko bank wa no mo to ye say amachi date no mo my 3 December 3 December ni duye na me wa adwuma me ma sister no ko ho chese ni kura omunya ma me sister no mo na kasa no omu fi ma me no Abi omo ka che sister no so no mum na ngi manager number no ne nkasa. Na me say obi onu wo ye customer o bank wona ye fan se mbe krokro nam ne nakasa onu mum na call manager to nye ni.
Sister Vida, usika kodi no ho awie nti sa na obeye ayi obetimi aka dodo na amode kwoto ho no.
Say scaling in akwa 189. I mean who's be
189,000 that just 1.89 billion.
Almost 200 million men can is old currency.
Yeah, some. And a company na obo ase ana okumase.
The branches in the door so pay bank
edimu yo. But into so Mr. we afra na yembo bank ni di wan and dey betimi asa homework no why.
Na mo why na say me say me na me dada na e ma discount ko to nti akura se me din de ye mokora.
Oh, sir.
Em guase a wo gu se ko ne ma ya aka se me enye sika na obesama me ma me din sika ma.
And I said, I don't know.
You bound in any age.
Aha, but
a print statement, man, and any age. But say, no, for bad problem, no, almost so, almost if you customer short in your India, minimum in that. Number 2, what catch them and say, this can go to no more, coins of and can go to. The patch many young lady go. And they say, no, shed any case, and a lawyer.
Oh, no.
On any sister in this can go to.
What they say, frustration, and you don't have a tremano. But the most important thing is, Omumi ni nyina sister Kwiane Sister Vida. Very quickly no. Omo modia no mo mfa bank no kokot. Mo mo kokko ebio kra ko si omo time. Fundamental breach of contract.
Okay.
Set me sika beto me bejim sika wo si konabra. Bank no breach contract. And against public policy. So better how bank ada ni part to no that's not what you're supposed to do. Sekeni ho a almost I didn't rock ho. Don't go court kra won for punitive and exemplary damages.
Now, tableau,
break it down, break it down.
Punitive, just one bank and so. And exemplary, exemplary, you didn't trio. Any BBA can't be a court to know.
More car, amount for shoe.
Yeah, but
when you said, don't go to musica. Now, if you almost dada, or can't check court and say. Almost now, or so court now, on for punitive, on punish you, on for exemplary damage in your day, and come or before crowds on your
pathetica crowns and come.
That should be ano, or what me can cray, it is kind of microphone term. And yes, I did be our quite nice, or woman in your favor. Yeah, Obido car, bank home, and Yakro crow, a contract, a mra, and running a mark come out this car to home. Don't me face kind of mawa, final court. And now Obedi can is first come, first serve. Into almost almost in our bank, meaning bank will be Mati Dino. Yeah, so quiet, 200 cities better the amount any day, the amount for Conan or time over the cook a honor. I'm going to go lawyer, and I'm going to district court, and I circuit court, and a high court. I'm going to go musica. Fast, so better with that crowd tongue.
I bank no. Na bank for any bisu shame feature, Munim said Bonnie or my auntie, a Japadian or Mama Tonton. And also, okay, yes, you only
Bank of Ghana or Bank of Ghana. And I face again, national security.
What miss you, Bank of Ghana?
Well, bank make us almost Bank of Ghana. But what miss you? Yeah, what miss you be? Why not? Oh, now President Robert miss you in Bank of Ghana. In Odo's can go to another president. Then make us make patches by law. No, okay, by nobody's above the law. The law, okay. Obia, miss you, Obia. So it's a Bank of Ghana, and I have negligence in our medical system. Wait me, but make us go see over Bank of Ghana. Performance and but that was more importantly, no. All former cocots and family mame. No me yano. Why I said the music have to go. What's the mammy say? Now for one mamma.
Rabba now can be so.
And I make us say, no mechanics, some any permission, no. A Friday, Monday, I'm matching. Omunco court. Court to be a million who be a scanner swan. It's kind of 100,000 a high court as
okay.
Into very quickly, no.
I just saw bossing in so better with their bossing high court.
Okay, I said 200 million, which is 20,000.
Yes.
Into no, I would say after 50,000, no, what to make a high court. I would say high court to dear any amount to be able to make on a moment, we can use idea. And there's no need of a coco. The moment once it's about 50,000, very quickly they should go to high court.
Court no so near Semno.
I would say, inquire Belmu. So I just a bank and person within baby jack.
Lawyer, and yes, I am make a boo. Over court, they say the banking charges filing fees, high court. See, couple money in us.
But then you say, you know, they are caught on. There is a lucky holders, you see on a bank and it's operating. Ubu to many scanny be a few. A sin say, Obertan won't for do arms, son, Obertan say, bank no egu. To see on a bank no one now, employers who now bank no pretend they say they are operating. That's the time you have to go.
Mami fa Sister Georgina. Sister Georgina. I was Sister Georgina home na tiko. Sister Georgina Mr. Wa betimi asa free be said e ba. Ye betimi I do asem na ma why lawyer wa hanti lawyer so mbeboa na ma church say but the lawyer ma say real point say but na make filing fees for instance okay say omonko high court obi ko high court ahin obetua for filing fees.
Oh, with 100,000 there when twa kwa na wo tuma twa be say at least no that
but 10 million na
David Indu 10 million. That is about 10,000 Ghana. Indu.
Baba Cholo Aban as on mine no. Ah yene mama fe ba kwaku na member so me ko me hwe se as on mine no a lo aka se what's na ho ama ye mo nkofo no ban ansa na obi edi obi ni aka se ye kwa kwaje bra kwaku mpacho good afternoon.
Madam.
Bra kwaku mpacho busa kwa chine hwe se wo case a
Actually, or bank your call was. If you go buy 6 months, you go pay car, you go mine.
No more catch us, do say, Bresson, a bejuicano.
But I say,
Omuka said, a Breben, a bejuicano.
Almost my time of Cambo.
But a normal bank and a microfinance will be.
But I say,
a normal a bank and a microfinance.
I know my bank is
okay. Yo, and also the energy says sister Idiano. But I am not about lawyer, your basis, and your met was in a baby, me will case and a Neddy and go forward case every day. A don't form my mutijum. And they boys, yeah, a big dinner, a car, one will be in 50 summoner. And we are cut by no diaconiaba. Nisika koda bank obedaje ti ye hwe se de be ya ye beji sika na ma lawyer for ka bi se mon kokko to tom mamun tsam obi ni musika free na wia no enam so no ahomache sorry e bre na ye bre no ma ne nye kwa mensuro court ti no na lawyer se che kwan abefa so obekọ court utika nduru ha beko high court ni ade lawyer we point na wo make no e fa court no na fe ye mra lawyer na pon
na me pa che se ye hwe sika no dodo na court ibotum de akọ na mom na wo so wo ka bibi say filing fee ni no mama na enye bebre sa enye bebre sa na mom no na maka na say omon kwantem na mom no bi asisi na bank na omda ho te ase na wo munya wuye no say bibi wo ko omo a lawyers no ombedi akiri tentente in fact when it come to this kind of year commercial court omo nche
yo high court say no high court
omo nche kra commercial court wo disasa say mo ko ya within 2 weeks omo bo wie
nti pacho obo ase no betimi asan obo ase anakumasi high court one ba commercial court
there be onko court na ewo ho because be bia contract no esi ye no ho na say we see no and nti na ye wo almost all the regional capitals in na no ye wo high court nti obokọ area na contract no omo ye no na mom no sisi anu ye wo mu no wo de wasem kọ commercial court enche
okay
and say those days na wo kwa 1 year na omu ni andi we ya by the time omu be dia we no na a bank no omu ni chasi bim sisi ado de kwa passion
na yedi wa
omu ya ma
okay na pon yen court obi a so omo frɛ ono nko abetimi court ana wo so omu nyina ko omu bom na omu court de omu frɛ ne class action no
and ono betimi class action na so nko abetimi court class action problem omu ne say isa wode nkrofo koshia na mo nyina mo pene so se be fa lawyer ba ko se mo pene so we se bia obeba we se misika nya ready we se ochina e bi nti na we see time but se ho ache oni de se contem ko lawyer na ana se ko district court ni circuit court hona hono kra e bi ha o mo ye djuma court no mutimi bo ama bo bon krata no mo hia lawyer pa be hia san enye bi be complicated because bank ma be di misika ni deposit ni and I'm the coy, and I'm Simiko Jimisica, and almost say anything. And no answer bank be yano, and when you're complicated, so we have liquidated damage. The more over sell day, that make up punitive example and any lawyers will come. But more come almost to the class action. But the most important thing is a gun of Oceania and say, moving forward, you know, greed. If you ask baby anywhere, okay, would you 10% per month? Let alone 15, 20, 30%. That's number one.
Anyway, asim baby.
Number two, obi aka say, we baby na pressure and or a good amenyin to so.
Okay.
And number three, no. Better say obey consent. We could sika ho. We ba ko to baby e be more small interest and no interest. So it's a new and I'm back for process so mama you money 10 times so I'm back for mama you money 10 times where the mistake Ghana for we are swindle woman nyina new companies in there and the tire almost so and even old companies na say bank for be omo here you know so if you was assisting watch so 30 years 40 years 50 years how na say okay so obi ba 5 years 2 years 3 years na mo dimri kasa enye adwuma
enti ba me na me busa lawyer ban say oman no as a state no Bank of Ghana for bin to bin see omo say omo no matena here ahwe bank for ya ma omo di nkofo sika
enna me sine ka na dia bank ne dia wo so go sue Bank of Ghana say omo neglect on their duty to protect the depositors no dia I think say akwamba wakakra to me
okay
to me na mum no I think say no say ye ne say sine me sine kan no say wo pese wo du sika ko hye baabia wo kokobi se mu say regulations no wo he na emrama mo kwan say mu gisika nimpo in the first place
okay
baby wo mo say omo gisika na omo gisika sie nomnoma wo mu regulation ne ma omo kwan say wo mu gisika mpo to acha say na so bi bete say oh we dey would sika kwa omo ma interest bebre na omo ko yembisa mu
ya na ko
adentina wo ko invest be say 100,000 na want to me here investigation on you do diligence one thing about Ghanaians say yeah investment we don't consult our lawyers
any lawyers cry
it was almost nothing no to can go via no ma busu acha lawyer to say en che bi obi the agreement bi breme say me review man no na me review am so o me 10,000 the agreement is over almost million or say oh na dia no you say me kwa me fa ma obi mko kono ko to sikagu
afa ko e no nya
say because we don't want to pay so I say if you're going to invest 200,000 500,000 what prevent you say oboko consult lawyer say oh lawyer sa esmesi we omo yes ade we na me pese iskebia da ho ma me ndi me pese me de ko hye wona te sen at least no lawyer no what market say o ma me ko hwe say sa nkofu we omo wo akwanja say omo ba gi sa usiki ya na so me papa o ma register wo mu enfia hin na o ma yes business we
o ko register company the company is not even in existence
enti no eye o say yotumi suade wo mu say o pese onko invest sika man fa nko hyem wie no mu disika no ansa wo busua che amamanfo lawyers wo ho nya na say yeso akọ keke bebi sa lawyer
okay
say musika na me pese me invest dem bank na me fa nkoto
but the best lawyer is yourself that's how it's not now with you who say nothing is free and money doesn't grow on trees and money doesn't come so fast sika man 10 times so what I say and a bank for no so me say o pese aban yenchi samra no na nya bank bi ho how do sika koto ho a enyira da say obi yen here for bank and a depositors bank and a savings bank yeah how dey okwa yeah ma interest e be ju fee Bank of Ghana guarantee sa bank na emie so enti here for bank okwa na do sika koto e bia wonya interest o ba sika dey dash 1000 years crowd be ko na den na da hotel fees nko eno mo mu ye since here for be brave omo ko school na man for dada omo dada na che na omo ti sika wie so a almost impossible to collect because of system na e woman so the emo here for home buying any omo man ko school home buying na buying e manage national security issue if in there chrono new financial institution be na investment be no yen check omo every time me omo ntra o sa omo sika ni wi ansa o enti de akoko so nyina na security for no omo hu ana omo hu so dia ene yen take omo na yen prospect ni nyina ma here
I was for the besia obroni na ka na asem say word to the wise is enough ye cheerful enti se wa wotena ho na mo obi be dada se beje mpemanim abra ye nyesa ene na wala but so far mo amafre na mo case ni ade no mo amafre bia ba ha this week ni ade sem ye wi amomfre na yen ka mo nyina mom lawyer wa ha ye besu amamo na lawyer de court ene se simple atekwe na mbaka bo no matu a eye chenso betena no obi edi usika awie mame na wase pa mi wo case na wo Adom TV ni die fiapokua me kram na mom lawyer na napon distinguished scholars of Africa company for na kese ba ko ene ene twetwe nkomo yi lawyer Richard Kojo Aban so eka ho wo nyina edo ma se so maje o madwuma wona ene wo maboy Sarah Opare director and producer Sanso na Priscilla Anaman ene Abigail Belinda mo ene makeup fo nyina na na kua ene ade edem ase se mo boy me ade nyina ba kabuki yakopon sharp for the dress yam to aso yakopon ya Adom next week me o case ana ene